Good morning, people, and welcome to Stinky's art class, where we have the best students in the world. Today's lesson is how to paint a bird. Okay, let's jump right in this one so the lesson doesn't go over time. First thing you want to do with the bird is you want to draw the beak. Okay, now this bird's going to be singing, so we're going to do a big beak. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to draw the head. Okay. And then you want to draw an eye. Okay. And then you want to draw the body. And then a wing. And then you want to draw the rest of the body. And then you want to draw a big tail. Wow. Stinky good at bird. You'd be thinking Stinky's a bird watcher. You know, I'll tell you a tip to all those bird watchers out there. You want a tip? I'll give you a tip. If you go bird watching barefoot, like Stinky does, the birds don't get scared of you. They think you're just another animal. Yep, that's true. Try it. Go bird watching barefoot. They don't run. They don't fly away when you get up to them. They think you just another animal because you ain't got shoes on. If you're wearing shoes, the birds will fly away. Okay, let's give this bird a nice eye. Okay, and we gotta give this bird some color. I'm not sure it's gonna have to be a green bird. I'm having a feeling it's gonna be a green bird. So let's do it. It's gonna be green. Sometimes we have to clean our brush off when there's too much of the other color. And then you gotta do nice little strokes to get the green to go everywhere. It's called technique. And looking good so far, so good. Okay, I think we're looking good. And I'm trying to think what to paint this beak. How about we go with gray? We haven't used gray in a while. That looking pretty good. Okay, and just so the bird ain't floating, let's make some land he's walking on. Okay, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Okay, class. That's it for today, I believe. What do you think? Pretty epic? Look like a bird? Stinky's doing good. Stinky coming up. All right, class. Thank you for supporting Stinky and his art class, joining my class. Thank you to all the students. You make all this possible. I really appreciate it. And if you're not a student, you'd like to be in my class, you can follow me on TikTok, YouTube. I need 1,000 followers so I can make some ad money. And I'm on Instagram, but nobody knows me. OpenSea and Twitter, but I'm banned on Twitter for starting an art revolution. So hope you enjoyed the class today. Hope you enjoyed learning how to paint a bird. Stay tuned for more epic lessons of Stinky's art class.